At the VNA Hospice, we can offer our hospice services wherever the patient might live, whether it's a skilled nursing center, an assisted living, or their home. Our VNA program services for hospice are on Cape Cod as well as Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. We offer in-home hospice services as well as a different level of care called general inpatient at our McCarthy Care Center. We have liaisons at Falmouth Hospital and Cape Cod Hospital, and they go in and talk to families about what they'll experience if they decide to invoke their hospice benefit. We also go to the homes and do informational hospice visits for patients and families. The hospice liaison then, with the direction of the family to go ahead and invoke the benefit, would work with the discharge planner at the hospital to make sure there's a safe discharge plan home for the patient, and then when the patient gets home, we would schedule or have a nurse come and meet the family to do the admission at that time. The hospice liaison works with our intake department, who will then order durable medical equipment for the home, comfort medications that can be delivered to the home, and help set up a transport time so that when the patient gets home, a hospice nurse can be there within that day to do an admission. So our home care hospice team would comprise of a primary nurse, a social worker, a chaplain, a music therapist. We have volunteers that can go and be companions in patients' homes. We have our medical directors, our nurse practitioners, as well as our bereavement team, who offers bereavement for patients and families for 13 months after someone passes away. The McCarthy Care Center is a general inpatient facility. That means that a patient is having symptoms that cannot be managed in the home setting. When a patient arrives at the McCarthy Care Center for symptom management, they will have the continuum of care from the multidisciplinary team. We have beautiful grounds here, including a gazebo and a wooded area in the back. Each of the 10 private rooms are designed for patients and their families. Families do come and stay with patients overnight, as well as bring their family pets in to visit with the patients while they're here. We also have a chapel for people for quiet meditation, a kitchen area for families to come and sit with each other for fellowship and share snacks. The community of Cape Cod embraces this center and loves McCarthy Care Center. There are other hospice companies available to you, but it needs to be your decision which program you would like to go with.